Okay, y'all. Today, we'll be cooking rice and beans and stew. Okay, but today I'm not going to be explaining more about my cooking. We are going to be cooking with anger or in anger and inventing. Okay, so welcome to my page. This is Sawa Cousin. In case this is your first time seeing my video on your screen, please follow me and thank you and God bless you. Okay, some people are bashing a girl, a youth couple that came out to voice out her pain, which I know that most of us are feeling this same particular pain or even more. But yet, like people will be in pain but don't want to talk about it or don't want to say stuff about it, or I don't know, I don't really know. Okay, let me even leave you people. Me, today, I went to the market to get something. Do you know that I used $20,000 to cook this food I'm cooking? Oh God. Do you go, okay, wait, calm down. You guys think I'm joking? Yes, I know that this is Saba Cousin, but sometimes I really get things expensive in the market. I get things expensive. Because tell me why I'll get this meat for $5,000. Why? This meat, normally, my mom used to take us to the market back then, and we can get this meat for 200 naira, highest 150 sef. But today I'm getting this meat for $5,000. Why? Why is stuff like this in this country? And somebody came out to talk about it, and we are bashing her. Me, I'm no longer going to talk about the girl. I'm going to talk about my own experiences, the things that I've experienced in this country. I go market, I price this meat, this guy no gree sell this meat for me. He say if I don't get 5,000, even this onion why I buy now $2,000 I buy am. Why? No, so you go just even smile for house man, they go use onion stone you, they will dash you onion. If it's even the meat self, the meat you look at her, you go even say, fine girls, because you find like this, so I can't take meat chop. But today, never. It's no longer like that. Why? This country was supposed to be a better place for every one of us. But no, every single day, things are becoming more expensive. Because tell me why I will use $20,000 to cook this food. Why? Food that normally my parents will cook without even having a feeling that they did any expenses. I remember back then in the village, my mommy will use 20 naira to go and buy. Hey, if you see meat, if you not see assorted inside the meat, kwano, but now I'm using $5,000 to buy only meat. If now you don't go vex. What am I even saying? You people are passing the same thing. You people are feeling the same pain. It's just that some of us are opportune enough to have the money. What about those that does not have the money? Now what for now, bro? Now wow. Now to do for this country. Instead of all of us to join our voice together and talk about these things that we are facing every single day. We are facing a lot of things in this country. This is our father's land, this is our mother's land, they used to call it. This land now where they born us. So we have to make it a better place. And they must hear also, because in their own time, they heard them. So they will hear us and we will complain till they will listen to us. And I'm sorry if I'm venting, don't worry, this stew is very sweet. Of course, why I not go sweet now? Food why I use $20,000 cook. Hey, it must sweet though. Yeah, it goes sweet. I'm sorry guys if I'm venting or if I'm angry about saying the, but I just saw the video and just been going viral and it's just so painful. It's just so painful. Look at food where I use $20,000 cook now. Look at this small food. Anyway guys, if you're hungry, please come and join me after venting. And thanks for watching guys.